cardiology research trial is underway at UofL Health. Dr. Dinesh Kalra with UofL Physicians Cardiology joins us now to discuss it. And thank you so much for being here, first of all, Doctor. Welcome back. Talk about this trial. This is really interesting. It affects a lot of people because we hear about so many Americans having heart attacks. So tell us how this trial will work.
Well, first of all, thanks for having me, Connie. This is super important. So, you know, people get heart attacks, and the first time they ever see a doctor, they're not known in the past that they had heart disease. So it comes as a big surprise to people. And what this trial is doing is looking at people's coronaries, the blood vessels of the heart, and looking for cholesterol or fat deposits in those blood vessels decades before they're going to have a heart attack.
Okay.
And then we work with patients either with diet, exercise, or medications if needed to prevent them from having their first heart attack or any heart disease at all. So that's the goal.
So a lot of people realize they have these high cholesterol levels when they get a checkup. They go in and get their yearly checkup, but then there are a lot of people not getting them. So this is going to be very beneficial. So tell me about the control group. So there would be, for example, someone taking a statin, someone exercising a certain amount. How will it work?
That's exactly right. So the trial's called ART-CAP, and the current standard of care is to give people statin therapies if they have blockages, even mild blockages, not tight blockages. This trial is trying to see whether you can cause these plaques to actually go away, because statins don't actually make plaque go away. They stabilize plaque and they slow its growth. We're looking to see, can you make plaque just dissolve? People come to me and say, I got blockages. What can you do, doc? Can you put roto-root-me? Can you give me some sort of Drano to put in the arteries? So we're using medications with diet and exercise to make 50% reduction in the amount of plaque they have, so they will never have a heart attack. That's the goal of the trial.
Can you give us a hint at what some of those medications that might get rid of the plaque, like what?
They're all FDA-approved medications, except nobody's used this cocktail in the past. So they're anti-inflammatory drugs, they're cholesterol-lowering medications other than statins, plus a statin, like fish oil products, and so there's a whole slew of medications that you use together in that combination to make plaque get 50% smaller.
How long will this last?
So the trial lasts 18 months, and then we initially get a baseline CT to measure your plaque content, and then we get another one at 18 months. But people can take these medications even after the trial ends, because our goal is to make that plaque just go away completely.
Wow. And this research can certainly change medicine from here on out, right?
I absolutely hope so. People should never have a heart attack again.
All right. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us. Can't wait to hear the results. You'll have to come back.
My pleasure. Definitely will be back.